What's going on? PJ 437 Motorsports again. Kind of a day in our life, I guess. Working on the truck again. Passenger side low beam went out, so I stopped by the auto parts to get a new light because I assumed the bulb was bad, and then come to find out that this had corroded and looks like it slightly shorted that terminal out, so I gotta replace the spade, which is the ground. Hopefully that's the only thing wrong with the light and why it's not working. So I had to pop the light housing out. I'll put a link to the video on how to do that from previously. This is what we're doing. So I gotta find, I don't have a 90-degree spade, so I'm gonna try to make a regular spade work and fit under this rubber seal here. So we'll see what I can get accomplished, and I'll get back to show you what I've done. Alright, so this is the wiring that goes up to the low beam, which I assume plugs into the factory light plug. But this whole piece came off. I'll be able to take this in the house and down in my basement where all my wiring tools are and put a new end on it, where it'll be easier to work on instead of doing it out here. And probably have to strip that wire back till there's no corrosion, so it's hopefully doesn't corrode again, which I don't know why it did inside this what seems to be sealed housing. But we'll get that knocked out and then see if the light works after I get this burn up terminal off of here. Alright, so I just ended up soldering the old one back on. It's not the prettiest, but I couldn't pull it apart, so I'm gonna cover it in black tape since the little silicone piece is burned up pretty bad. That way it can't ground against anything. I don't know what it would touch in here, but just so nothing shorts out. Tape that up, put it back on, and we'll test these lights. Well, maybe it ended up burning up the bulb, and maybe that's why. And the ground too, I don't know. So we got this one working. That one is not working. Well, let's see if the bulb's now bad also. All right, so come to find out the other light, the little element in there had broke, so I just ran out and got me a new one. Get this thing in here without touching anything. Forget which way it goes. There we go. The lock back on. Reconnect our wires. Oh. Blue wire to the bulb, black is the ground. Squeeze that, make it a little tighter. And squeeze the spade, got that so it fits and is loose. Get the rubber boot back on. Let's see. Just make sure that didn't pop loose. Really don't like how that's all in there crammed in. Back around here. And the headlights on. Hopefully they work now. Driver's side. Oh, we're back in business. Sweet. Now I gotta put all this back together and be good to go. Anyway, as usual, thanks for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. Have a good day. Go check out some other videos too if you would. Give them a like, watch some of the racing action, or when I took the Camaro racing, or any of that kind of stuff.